Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 paraphrasing tools. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Quillbot. Quillbot is arguably one of the top paraphrasing tools ever created. This is an AI-based tool that is easy to use. All you need to do is upload the content you want to be paraphrased. Alternatively, you can just copy and paste or drag and drop the text to the interface. One advantage of the tool is that it offers different methods, including standard, formal, creative, and other types. Just pick your desired format and enjoy the results. As a bonus, Quillbot checks the text for spelling and grammar. You can paraphrase texts of up to 125 words at any one time. Highlights of Quillbot. Easy to use. Helps to find the best synonyms using AI. Allows to integrate with the popular applications. Provides the history of your paraphrasing. Number 2. DupliChecker. DupliChecker comes as a package and it includes 3 different tools, such as spell checker, paraphrasing tool, and plagiarism checker. What's more, this is a free tool that allows you to paraphrase text containing up to 2,000 words. For anything beyond that, you need to buy a subscription plan. When you paraphrase the content, the tool highlights changes made, allowing you to see what has been rephrased. Users like DupliChecker for its speed and ease of use. It will become your indispensable aid when you need professional term paper assistance. You can use it in addition to professional writing services that can deliver your papers within time, to the highest academic standards, and at reasonable prices. Highlights of DupliChecker. 100% free to use. Generates accurate results. Multilingual support. Fast and deep scanning. Number 3. Spinbot. Spinbot is used by lots of content writers as this allows instant rephrasing and helps to create new content. Moreover, this is a free tool and can be used without paying a single penny. The specific features include the ability to rephrase texts of up to 1,000 words. Highlights of Spinbot. Free to use. Clean interface. Grammatically accurate. Millions of users. Number 4. RewriteGuru. Many content developers use RewriteGuru to avoid plagiarism. It has proven to be a reliable option for lots of customers involved in different forms of marketing. The tool has more than 5 different versions. Smart Spin is considered to be the most popular mode by content writers. In this mode, you can use AI-based bots to create content. You will enjoy the simple and user-friendly design of the tool. It also comes with powerful thesaurus that helps with the right word selection. It is designed to produce content based on your inputs in 10 seconds or so. As with most other rephrasing tools, RewriteGuru has both a free and a paid version, depending on how much text you need to paraphrase. Highlights of RewriteGuru. No ads. Simple interface. Easy to import your content. Available in multiple spin modes. Up to 30,000 words per search. Number 5. Rephrase. Rephrase is a convenient tool used by thousands of content writers across the world. It helps them come up with original content within seconds. It is designed smartly to use synonyms from its rich thesaurus to help you devise new content. It can also modify phrases and sentences, putting them in a logical order to create coherent texts. You can use the free version to save costs. The speed is impressive, and it allows customers to process content quickly and comfortably. Highlights of Rephrase. Clean interface. Maintains quality content. Provides 5 rephrasing modes. Supports multiple languages. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.